superstar Rajinikanth has raised expectations of his fans by stating that he is not averse to get into politics, but a bit hesitant over consolidation later. The actor's sensational remarks also raised many eyebrows in political circles when he made them at the audio launch of his trilingual action thriller Linga. Speaking on the occasion, the 63-year-old actor said, "If a situation arises, I could enter politics. I'm not afraid but only hesitant because I know the depth of politics and I have to step on so many shoulders." Rajinikanth's remarks made headlines as the political scenario in the state is dicey, especially with the former chief minister and exterior actress Jayalalitha being indicted in the disproportionate assets case and her principal opponent DMK led by M. Karunanidhi's DMK, a divided house. In such confusing political scenario, Rajinikanth, who refused to take a plunge into active politics, appears have a rethink on the issue. Interestingly, the superstar's hints also raised expectations among his fans and Bharatiya Janata Party, as the latter is looking for a mass or popular leader like Rajinikanth among Tamilians to lead the party in the state. However, writer of Rajini's statement was that he would not believe to enter politics to serve the people and he wished to continue to do movies with a good message. Now the question arises, as Rajinikanth, who is ruling silver screens of South India, will also rule political corridors? Will he dare make an attempt to gain more popularity through politics by serving poor and the needy? Or his reluctance was due to visible experiences of counterparts from Bollywood Amitabh Bachchan and Tollywood megastar Chiranjeevi, who failed to hog onto limelight in topsy-turvy Indian politics? One may not forget the famous statement of Amitabh Bachchan describing Indian politics as cesspool. One has to wait and watch what will be Rajini's next move. Will he or won't he? News Desk, Mango News.
हम देश के लिए मर तो नहीं सके, लेकिन आजादी के बाद पैदा हुए हैं, क्या देश के लिए जी तो सकते हैं?